There's no way you can't get this on video. You have to be here to see this. We've got dolphin, manatee, birds everywhere, osprey, fishing poles, fishing right here. Beautiful view right through the fishing poles. Here comes the dolphin right at us. Got a couple of them over here. That one just shot over here now.
Those two girls out on them kayaks have like,
they have a show.
Unbelievable. They've been coming up just saying hi to them.
Yeah, that dolphin's been all around them.
Crazy.
That's nice.
So what do you think about this hanging out here, man?
It's
little rag alley.
It was a no-brainer getting this spot right here. It was a no-brainer.
No brainer?
No brainer.
The houseboat,
I
think,
was
pretty came out all right.
I think we came out damn good. Better than I expected, to be honest with you. But I think you're sitting in the driver's seat now. You're golden, brother. You're golden.
There's another dolphin.
Don't get any better than this.
Right.
I still haven't seen that bald eagle yet, bro.
I got a video on the Off the Grid Adventure Boat YouTube channel.
I saw that. Yeah.
Did you see the eagle?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I haven't seen him personally myself yet.
He had the biggest fish hanging underneath his claws.
Yeah.
And he's flying through the air.
Yeah, he got that big.
I forget what video number that was, but it's pretty good.
Yeah. Well, here, let me hold that phone for you while you finish that deal.
Keep that film.
Yeah, film that a little bit. We're a minute 45. I got the fishing poles going on here. Got a different view.
So this is.
We have some neighbors that came in today here.
Life.
Yep. But tomorrow's Monday, so they'll be all out of here. We'll have this place to ourselves.
Just are hanging out here.
Yeah. Look at Timmy. Timmy just whipped up a from the chef.
Tim.
We just whipped up a nice fish with. We got some orange,
tomato,
beans,
cilantro.
It's pretty darn nice.
All kinds of good concoction, culinary delights.
Yeah. You know what?
And
you handcuffed that chef too. He didn't have enough to work from. You know that.
I know. He had to get that bacon out.
He said he didn't have enough butter.
He had to render the bacon to get the oil to be able to cook the fish.
That's crazy. We're gonna have to go to Publix and stock up. You know?
Yeah.
There's a Yami 150. How about that Yamaha 150 right there?
That baby does the job, man.
It's quiet as a mouse. Yep, it's pretty nice. Life is good.
Man, it's good.
Those girls have been sitting there. They're just
hanging out.
They've got it down perfect because they're just paddling and the current's going out right now.
Yeah.
So they're just paddling very slow, holding their position, and the dolphin are right there with them.
You're kidding.
Playing around right in front of them. Can't beat that. Can't beat that, brother.
Not with a stick.
No way. Tennessee whiskey. Yeah, I was cleaning the boat earlier, just kind of cleaning up a little bit. Dolphin came right on by here next to me, right about there. And they made a ruckus, scared the heck out of me. They were chasing fish all around. Pretty funny. Well, this video probably doesn't do it justice, but as close as we can get it to. So anyway, let me get up here. Got the houseboat. Oh. What's going on down here? What's going on down here, eh, Hank? What's going on down there in the kitchen? Got video rolling here.
We're just talking about you.
Oh, are you? Okay.
He's calling me Ran again.
Is he? Yeah. That means you got to stick around a little longer, Tim. You know what that means? You just got to stay around a little longer, brother.
I've been around my whole life.